Okay, hi, my name is Siddharth Gandhi, and I'm going to give a presentation on our 411 website. So basically the name of our website is PBG. It's basically a place where students try to submit solutions to programming assignments given to them by their professors, and they enroll in different classes and solve problems. My partners are Yang Shu and Shoaib Manai. Okay, so this is basically the first page that someone will see when they come to our website. It's basically a login page, and there's account creation at the bottom. So basically, because I'm a new user, I'm going to go ahead and try and create an account. Alright, so I'm going to enter in my name, email, and for this first example, I'm just going to enter in an invalid email to show that it checks for that. So yeah, you get an error message. Now I'm going to enter in a valid email, but password that is too short. So the password's not 8 characters. There's a problem. Passwords that don't match. And as you can see, there's another error message. Okay, so now I'm just going to enter in all valid information, name, password, and email, and it should allow me to create an account. Okay, so an account already exists for this email address, I guess. So I'm just gonna make another email address. So somebody had already created an account with that email. Okay, cool. So now this takes me to a page that says account successfully created. Go to the main perspective. So this has taken me to the main perspective. At the top I have a taskbar with the name of the website, and right now, since I'm not enrolled in any courses or teaching any courses, all I can do is add a new course and log out. So I'm just going to quickly log out and show the login for current users. So enter in my email and my password, and I log in. Okay, so we get the same perspective. So now I'm going to go ahead and try and add a new course. So here we get a drop-down menu of all the courses in our database, and so now I'm going to enter in the access code for that course, which is basically the same as the course name as we've set it up. So I'm going to enroll in that course. So now what we see is a menu for the different courses I'm enrolled in, and the different problems in that course. So I'm just going to add one more course so we can show switching between the two courses. So I enroll in that course. Okay, so now I have CS 173 and 125. So okay, so now I'm in CS 125. I'm going to go ahead and try and look at one of the problems. So as we can see, here's a problem. There's the problem description and a field to enter the submission, and at the top I can like, dislike, or have no opinion for this problem. So I guess 2 people at least have already liked this problem. So when you like the problem, the rating gets incremented, and when you dislike it, the rating gets decremented, and neutral does nothing. So it's 3 and it's 1 and now it is neutral. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and submit a completely invalid solution that should not even compile. So yes, I get a message that says compilation error. So now I'm going to, and as you can see, you can switch between C, C++, and Java. Now I'm going to submit something that compiles but is not the correct solution. So this code should not really do anything, but it should compile. Okay, so I submitted the code and I get a wrong answer, but it gives me the execution time and memory used. So clearly I did compile, but it's the wrong answer. And now I'm going to go ahead and submit a solution to this problem in C++, which is the correct solution. And hopefully it'll show that the solution was accepted, or it was the right solution. So yeah, I got a message that says accepted. It tells me the execution time and memory used. So one nice feature about our website is that we have a commenting feature, and basically you can comment on problems. So I'm going to go ahead and comment on this problem. So let's say I found this problem to be very difficult. I'm going to go ahead and say this problem was bad. So I'm going to submit that comment. And okay, so the problem is highlighted in red. That was basically because the problem, the person who submitted the solution found that the problem was negative. So negative comments are highlighted in red, and the way we determine that is going through and scanning for negative words. So now I'm going to submit a slightly more positive comment, and let's see what it gives me. So I said that the problem was good. Okay, so the comment is green. So basically negative comments get red and positive comments get green. Okay, so this was kind of the perspective of a student. So now let's say I was professor and I wanted to add a new course for which I could add problems and have students submit solutions to those problems. I go to add a new course, but I'm not going to enroll in a new course, but at the bottom it says you can create your own course, so I'm going to click on create my own course. Okay, so let's see, I'll create a course called CS1000. I'll enter in an access code 1000. So now I'm creating a course called CS1000, and the access code is that students will sign up for that course and enter that registration code. Okay, so now I get taken to this perspective where again we have the problem list, but there's this new option that says add a new problem. So basically I can add problems that students who enroll in my course can solve. So I'm gonna go to this. So basically we interface with a website called TMIS, and when you want to add a problem to your course, you enter in that problem number from that website, and our website interfaces with that website and gets that problem. So I'm going to enter in an invalid problem number at first, and let's see what it tells me. So that's it tells me to enter in a valid problem number. So now I'm going to go ahead and do that. So now I've entered in a valid problem number. Okay, so it takes me to a new page where I can see the title, text, and I can change the difficulty. So I'm going to edit the title, and the problem text is in HTML, and I'm going to edit that also so you can see that, and I'm going to set the difficulty to medium. So I'm going to add this problem. So now I can see this problem in my course, and you can see that my edit is there in the title and the problem text, and now students in my class can attempt to solve this problem and comment on it. Okay, so that was basically our website. It showed both the student and teacher perspective. Thanks.